All right, we're going to show you how we do pipe boot. So this is pretty standard. We try to cut the metal as tight as we can around the protrusion. Take our boot. I like my boot in a diamond pattern on the roof. I don't like it square, so we'll set it in a diamond. We cut this out so it's just tight on the pipe. Slide it down. Push it in place. Push it in place. We take our pencil, mark all the way around it, the outside edge. Now we'll pull it up. We're going to caulk around the actual pipe first. That's number one layer of defense. Cut your metal tight, caulk around the pipe. I can walk away from that. That's a 50-year seal right there. I'm gonna come a good inch inside my pencil line. Put a bead of caulk down, good inch inside. Leave the bottom. I don't caulk the bottom, leaves the place. If by chance water gets under it, gives it a place to escape. Nice solid bead. Over here, again, leave that bottom open for the odd chance something gets under there. Bring my boot back down. Get her molded over those ribs. Get that situated nice and pretty. I like to start around the ribs with my screws. Start right here on the side of the rib. Underneath this metal, wherever we have any kind of protrusions, we put extra blocking in. So there's extra wood, extra blocking all the way around here. That way I got a better chance of these fasteners actually hitting wood under there. Because this was a lath system where we put lath down, so we'll add more all the way around underneath. Press this down, both sides of this high rib. Come up here to this high rib. Both sides. Press her down nice and tight. Then I'll go about every inch or so, every fat inch. Put a fastener in, all the way around. There you go. I don't screw over top of these high ribs. It's just the way I do it. I'm not going to put a screw on those high ribs. I got to leave you guys something to say that I did wrong, you know. So that's what we do. I don't screw those high ribs. What we do, we come in, we add our first layer of protection. We caulked around the pipe. That's number one. Then we caulked underneath the base. Number two. Now I'm going to caulk real pretty line real pretty and clean, just around this outside edge. Doesn't have to be a lot. This is just another line of defense. Try to keep it clean, little. I don't want it big and ugly. Again, I'll leave the bottom open. That's what they say to do. That's what we do. Get up here in these cracks. Nothing blowing up under there. Love it. Leave the bottom open. Also, where this rubber seals around the pipe, I see a lot of guys, you went through all this work to do this boot, make it beautiful, you make it watertight, and then they walk away without doing anything right here. I know that rubber's nice and tight, but you got to put a little bit of sealant around that. Give everything a, get your face over top of that, suck that in. This way you don't get COVID, keeps your immune system nice and healthy. Give this a little strike around. Love it. Love it. Tuck my excess up there. Boom. Pipe boot 101.